Look at what we caught on this security camera. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of this 4G security camera. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This is not a Wi-Fi camera. I want to make that clear right from the start. This is a 4G camera, which means you will have to pay a subscription fee to use it, which makes it perfect for cabins or summer homes or places where you don't have internet all year round. It's going to be a great way to see your property without having to have Wi-Fi. It runs on 4G LTE, so as long as you have decent cell phone coverage wherever you want to put it, it should work great. This would even be great for an RV. The coolest feature of this is the fact that it's solar powered. So you could put this anywhere that the sunlight can reach it. It has a high capacity battery, so as long as it gets a few hours of sunlight a day, it's going to keep on running. It's nice to not have to worry about power cords as well. Setup was super easy. We downloaded the app and everything can be controlled from there. You can pan and tilt the camera in the app. The image quality is pretty good. It's 2K, so it's clear, and it has night vision. It even has color night vision, which is another cool feature, and it does have motion detect as well. It uses an SD card to store all the videos, so when there is motion, it records it, and then you can get the clips off the SD card. You can access them from your phone as well, which is really nice, so there's no cloud service needed. So if you're looking for a really nice security camera for a place without Wi-Fi, this one's really great. It's easy to install, the solar panel is incredibly convenient, and the video quality is excellent. We recommend this.